Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot, and it appears that what's hot is a cup of tea, some biscuits and a good read. That's according to Harry Potter publisher Bloomsbury, that said people have rediscovered the pleasure of reading in lockdown as it reported its best half-year profits since 2008, profits jumping 60% to £4 million from the period February to August. Bestsellers during the period included Why I'm No Longer Talking to White People About Race, Crescent City, House of Earth and Blood, White Rage, Humankind, and Such a Fun Age. Well, it was golden times for two dual-listed companies that are involved in exploration. First of all, Pure Gold said ongoing surface exploration drilling near the Pure Gold mine in Ontario continues to establish greater continuity and expansion of gold mineralisation, with high-grade results returned from multiple drill holes. And Condor Gold told its investors about something that long-term shareholders have long been wishing for, and that it is accelerating its La India project from a pre-feasibility level of design to final engineering designs on key infrastructure in preparation for construction on the fully permitted La Indian gold mine project. Well, so-called master investor Jim Mellon is a big shareholder in Condor Gold, and look at his buys over the previous few years. Well, he historically is also a big fan of banking stock Lloyds. Now, will the output of the 65,000 employees be more or less as they are told to work from home until spring? Well, Lloyds Bank is reporting on Thursday, the 29th of October. And if we look at what Nicholas Hyatt, equity analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, has to say, he says Lloyds generates most of its revenues from interest on loans. Lower interest rates tend to be bad news for the profits banks can earn from lending, and together with a decline in higher interest rate loans like credit cards, it suggests income could fall this quarter, even if bad loans remain unchanged. Well, we've already learned over the past 7 days that banking peer HSBC said it would pay a conservative dividend after reporting third quarter results which beat market forecasts. Now, over the coming few days, investors universally will be scrutinising what's going on in the US of A, with just a few days left before we know who is going to be the next president of the world's largest economy. But ahead of the US presidential race results, we'll be getting results from the large tech companies. I'm talking about Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, Facebook. The latter will get a better glimpse as to how the year's earlier advertising boycott by the blue chips has tarnished the company, whether by revenue or by reputation. Well, over the coming few days, stay well, stay safe, keep reading, and of course, keep watching.